From testing new products and improving processes, technology puts innovation in motion. This is at the heart of the manufacturing industry, which influences the products that we use every day and impacts the ways in which we live, work, and travel. Canadian colleges and institutes provide professional training, education, and hands-on skills all over Canada that address every aspect of manufacturing, from conception of new products to the development of complex processes using cutting-edge technology. They offer over 380 advanced manufacturing programs, supported by unparalleled industry expertise and access to specialized labs and facilities. This allows students to experiment with some of the latest technologies, including robotics, 3D printing, and artificial intelligence. Manufacturing programs at Canadian colleges and institutes are developed in collaboration with key industry experts to keep up with advanced manufacturing sector trends and the latest technologies. They share in-depth industry experience and expertise in mechanical and electrical engineering, robotics and automation, and transportation, including aviation and marine equipment, and more. Canada's manufacturing sector holds itself to high standards when it comes to technological advancement and can rely on internationally recognized credentials. Canadian colleges and institutes provide their students with unparalleled access to thought leaders with the passion and expertise to train students from different backgrounds in all aspects of manufacturing. With access to over 120 college-based research centers and laboratories in the innovation sector, Canadian colleges and institutes are themselves contributing to advanced technologies in aerospace, modeling, software and hardware, and production processes. This allows students to get involved in groundbreaking research projects and link with potential employers in their field. Canadian colleges are therefore uniquely positioned to support partners in Canada and abroad looking to improve their workforce development and knowledge transfer strategies. Their hands-on approach to competency development and technical training is ideally suited for the advanced manufacturing sector. Working in collaboration with strategic industry partners, they are not just adapting to the latest trends. They are at the forefront of technology advancement, working together to put innovation in motion. Are you ready to put innovation in motion? Learn more about Canada's colleges and institutes at collegesinstitutes.ca.